สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm so excited to show you how to cook gang som cha om gung or sour curry soup with omelette, acacia and shrimp. It's not gonna be that difficult. Take a look at the ingredients. Acacia omelette, tamarind puree, palm sugar, fish sauce, lime, salt and sour curry paste, and 250 grams shrimps. The curry soup looks so beautiful. I think it's because I made the paste myself. And if you want to cook this and make the paste from scratch as well, there's gonna be the link how to cook this salt and sour curry paste up there. Now I add the palm sugar. When the palm sugar is already melt, you can add the tamarind puree. We are going to let the soup cook for a few minutes. In the same time, we're going to prepare the omelette. The soup is boiling again, so we can add the shrimp. Now I'm going to taste the curry, see if I need to adjust it. It tastes very good already. I just add a little bit of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon is enough. Our curry with the shrimp is ready. So I'm going to add this acacia egg. Turn off the heat first. It's so good. It has nice balance. It's not spicy at all. I mean it's spicy but not spicy. You have to try this at home. And that's how to make gang som cha om gung or sour curry soup with acacia omelette and shrimp. I hope you're trying this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, but don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.